So in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to install MT5 and obviously set like a professional, right? So for that, the first thing that you can do is you need to go to the website of a broker and then put your details, log in just in order to get your MT5 account. For that, what you can do is after log in, you need to do something like this. So go to the client section and then the next step is okay, so it's loading. So the next step is to click on account sections like this, right? Okay, then after click on a open account sections, right? And choose like a uh, MetaTrader 5, recommended MetaTrader 5. After that, you need to choose like a standard and then click on a USD. So there is a different type of currency as per your needs, but we prefer to use like a USD, of course. And then click on by ticking this box, right? Check this and click on submit. So your account will create. So they will send you the email on your Gmail, right? So what you can do is the next step is you need to install MetaTrader 5. So for that, what you can do is the basic thing that you can do is click on this and click on downloads and then click on Windows, right? Like this. So opening like this. So yeah, you can do this by on website as well and by logging on into your account. So click on file and then after this click on this file like the simple way, right? Or another thing that you can do is what you can do like a very easy way is just go to the website and then click on MetaTrader 5. So this is the second step or the second method that you can do from here as well. So click on MetaTrader and yeah, of course, for MetaTrader Windows and it will download like this and click on like this. So click once again, then it will pop like this. So the basic idea is, I think it is going to open here. So MetaTrader 5, right? So what you can do is just click on next. So it will take like a few seconds to complete it. Okay. So Bant is also open. So let's do from the Vantage, right? This one. So click on next. So click on finish. Then it will show like this. So close it and click on Vantage MetaTrader 5, right? Like this. After opening this file, what you can do is just click on Vantage. Yeah. So it will pop up like this. So what you can do is click on Vantage and click on next. like this. Click on next. Yeah, so it will show like this. So what you can do is click on connect with an existing trade account, right? Then put a login ID. So from where you can get a login ID? Of course, you can get from the login ID from here, right? So you can get your login ID. So this is an additional account that we open. So this is a login ID. So what you can do is just like copy it and then need to paste it here. Okay, unacceptable character, so you need to put by typing, right? So what the code is 229494 and then 9318 9318. So passport, you need to go there and you can copy it like this, copy passport and paste. So we have a Vantage International Live 7, right? So for that, you need to choose a same server here, Vantage International Live 7. Here we go. So click on finish. Yeah. So we are finally logged in. So it shows like a sound like a incoming mail, right? This sounds pop up. So what you can do is you can get this type of setups, right? After installing MT5. So the point is, how can we make this chart so much cool? So this is Saturday, that's why market is closed. But what you can do is, if you want to, okay, make a chart good. So the basic thing that you can do is click on this icon so that it will in a zoom mode. So from this chart, I think this is not a beautiful chart. So for to make this chart a good one, you need to click right click on any screen. So click on properties and then click on colors, right? So for this, what you can do is, okay, so grid, click on grid and make it none, right? Bar up, of course, like it seems like green. So yeah, now I think this one is green, dark green. And for bearish candle, yeah, red. Bull candle, of course, green. Bear candle, red. And then line chart would be a green. Volume would be a, like this, no problem. Bid price would be the, yeah, this blue, blue. Ask price red anyway, no problem. So stop loss red, right? So if you click on OK, now the chart looks like something good. So if you want to make this more clean, click on right click and then properties. And then what you can do is click on show. So if you don't want to show the grid, then you click on uncheck this show grid. And yeah, so this is the simplest way. So click on common. So yeah, this is the chart. Looks like this is the chart, right? If you want to make it the big candle, then click on plus icon here. You can click on plus icon. So if I click plus one, it is zooming. Plus one, more zooming. Plus one, yeah, two more zooming. Minus, it's a zoom in. So plus is a zoom out, minus is a zoom in. So you can do it like this. So now this. But the thing is, if you see the chart is in the grid level, so if you want to make this chart in a left side, what you can do is, here is the thing. So there are the two arrows, left and right arrow. So if you click this one, it will back to you. Like if you see here arrow, if you want to make your chart on the left, then click on this arrow. If you want to make your chart on the right, then click on this arrow. So if you want to make your chart on left, click on this so that your charts like this, moving like this. But if you want to move your chart in a up and down and want to zoom more, so for that what you can do is click on right click, then click on properties, and then click on common. Always check on scale fix so that you can move your chart up and down. So click on OK. So now your chart moves like this, up and down, right left, up and down, up and down. So this is the simplest way to move your chart like this by checking the scale fix. Another thing is, if you want to, this is a moving average, and if you want to remove it, click on right click, then click on indicator list, and then this is the moving average. Click on moving average and click on delete so that you can get like a clean chart like this. So if you want to make this chart a bigger one, click on plus icon so that you can see the chart like this. Click on minus to make it small, click on plus to make it a little bit bigger. So this is the simplest way, right? So I'm going to teach you the another thing that is very important is how to add a symbol. Like if you want to trade on a gold, this is the Euro USD. If you want to trade like on a gold, then click on this icon. This is the in the symbol list. Click on here and type XAUUSD. So gold versus dollar. Click here and hit on enter. So if you want to see the gold chart in this zone, then what you can do is click on gold, right? Click on gold and just drag and put it into the chart so that you can see a gold chart right here. So it's a cool chart, looks like a cool chart, right? So if you see this chart is not up and down. So for this, what you can do is just click on right, click on properties, and then click on common, then scale fix so that you can move the chart like this. So like this, right? Okay. So the another thing that we need to know is how to measure the pips, right? In order to measure the pips, what you can do is click on cross here, and if you want to measure from this point, just click here. Don't, okay, just click here and yeah, drag to the upper side. So if you look at here on a middle point like 2640 points, it's a 264 pips. So it's a point divided by 10 is a pips. It's a 260 pips move, right? So if you want to move, measure the downwards move, then just like from this point, click and drag to the down where you can get like a 327 pips in a middle. So you can measure the pips in a simple way, right? So if you want to change your time, just click on weekly, then you can see like a weekly time frame like this. Weekly, click on day 1 so that you can yeah, of course, see like a daily. So if you want to click on H4, you can see a 4-hour chart. If you click on H1, it's a 1-hour time frame like this. Click on 30 minute. So this is the simplest way to change the time frame, right? Okay, so the another important thing that people should know is how to put the support and resistance. So for that, what you can do is you can just click on this line and hit like this. But if you want to change the color, just click on same line, right click, then go to the properties, then click on instead of red, if you want to make it like a yellow, and if you want to be a size a big, then click this and click on OK like this, right? So this is the simplest way. So if you want to delete, just click right and click on delete so that it will delete. So if you want to put like a rectangle shape for a support or resistance, what you can do is just click on this. Okay, if you want to, okay, if you want to move this on a right side, then click just like here. And yeah, if you want here, I prefer this just like this. So if you want to measure the pips like this, so if you want rectangle, click on right, then click on customize and choose a rectangle up over here. Click on insert rectangle. So yeah, click on close, then you will get a rectangle like this. So if you want to fill, just click on this line, okay, and then click on properties, and then click on a like this shape, okay. So parameters, visualization, parameters, fill, click on fill, then yeah, you will get like this. So if you want to change the color, click on right, properties, common, color would be this one, okay, yeah, like this. And if you just draw your support, you can make like this. You can just click here and you can move like this. So this is the simplest way to draw support and resistance. And another thing that you can do is how to, okay, how to see the trade history. So in order to see the trade history, just click on history, then you see the your trade history. But if you want to see a custom trade history, just click on right click, then click on custom period, and you can choose like a today, last 3 days, last week, last month, last 3 days, last 6 months, entire history. So this is the simplest way that you can do, right? Okay. So, if you want to execute your trade, so that how to put the stop loss and take profit, this is the very crucial questions, right? So what you can do is, I think this is the, okay, this is BTC USD, right? So this is the demo. So if you want to make a sale, just click on hit on sale, right? And it is running. So the trade is running. So if you want to put the stop loss, just click on an entry point and yeah, move like this. So this is the SL stop loss. So if you just toss the SL, then you can see like you might lose like a $16 profit, like minus 16 means you are going to lose like that. So if you want to measure the pips from here like this, okay. So if you want to put your TP, just click on entry point and drag to the down so that you can make a TP because that selling now. So this is the simplest way to just put your SL and TP. So if you want to close your partial position, then what you can do is just click on the entry point, right click, then yeah, just click double click on volume or any point here. If you want to close like a partial, just click double click on volume, and then okay, volume 0.1 lot. So if you want to close 50%, 0.05, then hit on close so that your partial positions get closed. So this is the simplest way to close your partial positions. Once again, I will teach you. Double click on volume, then there is running like a 0.05 lot. So if you want to close like a 0.03 and just hit on close so that the partial positions is closed. So if you want to see your history, just click on history. So this is the trade that we took. And if you want to see the custom history, just click like on custom, then yeah, today, so that you can see all the today's trading history. And another thing is how to change the lot. So from this point, you can choose your lot. So if you want, if I put a 0.05 means 0.05 lot. If you want to put like a one lot means one lot. So you can change, click on buy, sell. So this is the simple button that you can do for the buy and sell, right? So is there anything that I missed right now? Okay, how to put the text, right? So this is the T, draw text. Click on this and type on descriptions like or resistance. Click on OK so that you can write like this. So if you want to change the color, once again, click right click properties, Then if you want to make like a yellow, so if you want to see a bigger size, then you can choose like this, like a 20 font size. So this is the simplest way, right? And I think this is all about okay, setting the MT5. So I hope this video will help you. If you like this video really, so do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that yeah, you can see a lot of videos like this, a lot of informative videos. So have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.